So we've made our comparison between the new archiso Erlang 2052-1, that's on my desktop now, and our Carli 10 archiso, and now it's time to build it. Okay, so we do a 40, something interesting, maybe another tip, type time, and then 40. So the machine actually times how long you build it. I don't need that one on my desktop, that's coming from user share archiso. And I put one here and I put one here, that's workflow. Then I know I'm building. So let's wait for everything to finish here, and let's pause the video here. Alright, we got a Carli 2104, so all the names are good. And 8 minutes it took and 14 seconds to build it. So guys, build your own ISOs. Don't depend on us to deliver it to you. Just build it, it's so much fun. Super F7. Okay, Carli 10. Where is it? Choose a disk file. Carli out. That's the new one. You see difference? Okay, open, start. On my second screen, let's move you here, guy. Control F. So the Carli logo and so all that, that's grub, right? It's nice little logo there. That used to be Arch. ALCI will just keep Arch, because basically it's ArcoLinux with Calmars. But here it's a real distro, it's a real look and feel of something different than Arch. Alright, so Plasma, otherwise it would be Cinnamon, or it would be BSPWM, or something, anything like it. We're gonna delete one of those in the next. I also need to change something in the numbering here, but it's correct in the sense that it's 39.1-1, and there's an extra dash there. So this is the thing I had in the past, in the sense also that I changed it a little bit. This is all possible by settings. So this is open, I can click it. This is already selected and it's not open. Right? Kernel, it's not selectable. It will include the Linux kernel. It will download the Linux kernel. Communications is closed and is already selected. So there's lots of possibility in Calamares to change these things. And this is coming from, oh my god, the name again, 00, you see the videos, I've got. But this is copy paste. You find a configuration you like and say, oh, look at all that work, and let's just copy paste everything. So nothing is installed. You need to say, go get me this, or go get me that, install me this, install me that. You need to select it. So this is just a drop down. It's what you get more, the extras. Of course, internet required. Belgian, next, erase disk, no swap with swap. You choose. Next. Now in this case we've kept the standard Calamares configuration, which means I need to type a very long password and difficult at that. You know the drill, capital letters, small letters, numbers. And off it goes, install the rest. Let's just pause the video, right? Yeah, let's pause it. Voila, it's finished. Restart now, done. And since this is a virtual machine, I need to go down a few lines. Boot existing OS, and oh yeah, you saw the name Carli there, and you saw the logo there, so it means that grub is working there. And this is your new system. Control T. New fetch is installed, I think. Nice, right? And then what I was thinking minus remove anything related to Carli. And the only thing we have is the Carli keyring. There is nothing else. This is actually a pure Arch system, and it has one package, Carli keyring. So if you remove that one, it's gonna be pure. And what I was thinking as well is, of course, if you would do that, you get, of course, problems probably. Oh yeah, difficult password. Voila, just checking. So you need in the etc pacman.conf delete lines of Carli, of course. No repository anymore available, and done. Alright, I'm out. This is Carli 10 with an update for Arch ISO 52-1. Cheers.